Today we are looking at a 3G, 4G, LTE, 2K security camera. This will be useful for when you can't access Wi-Fi. The camera can record 24/7. You can also add more cameras, so effectively you can build your own CCTV system without using NVR box and Wi-Fi. Perfect for people living in areas where you can't get Wi-Fi. You must have access to 3G or 4G coverage though. Let's take a closer look. Information on the camera, instruction booklet in different languages, mounting sticker, type A to type C charge cable, an Allen key, some mounting hardware for the camera, some clips, tweezers to remove the SIM card, solar panel, type C cable. I don't know how long this cable is. If you want to pick this camera up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. If you find the video useful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. The Allen key is to adjust the bracket. This is the mounting plate. You'd mount this plate on first and then you'll put the camera on top of this. At the bottom of the base, power on off, type C charging port. Once you've turned the camera on, you lift this part here and the cable would go in there. Two antennas for better reception. There's a QR code there where I have my thumb. At the front we have some infrared lights here, the lens, microphone, photo sensor, PIR motion sensor. Micro SD card slot. You will need to get a micro SD card. It supports up to 128 GB micro SD card. Nano SIM card already installed in there. This SIM card has some data on it for 7 days. After that you will need to purchase some more. Reset button. At the back we have a speaker. Let's link the camera up to the app. I have already downloaded the UBox app. So here it is asking set up Wi-Fi device, set up 4G device. We're setting a 4G device.
Insert the SIM card, install the camera, install the antenna, then power on the device. The blue LED will light up. After about 1 minute, click Next.
The blue LED light is on. Press Next.
Scan the QR code on the camera to connect to your phone. Enter the camera name and address. Using default name and address can go to the next step directly. Camera installed successfully. Fully charge the camera at first use.
I was just taking the camera to put it on charge and its lights come on. That's why they say color night vision. When you're going to place the panel on top of the camera, make sure to pull the antennas up first and then you just place that on there and push it down. These that come included in the package, one would fit on here and the other one would fit on the other side. There we have it. The camera is ready to get mounted outside. Once you have mounted the plate, you'll need the rest of these. We just tighten these in here. And there we are, one fully mounted 3G, 4G, LTE security camera. This camera is 2K 3 megapixel Super HD color night vision. Camera pans 355 degrees, tilts 95 degrees, 4 times digital zoom, PIR motion detection, IP66 weatherproof. Let's have a quick look at the app. At the top here you could see it's giving us resolution standard definition, or you could select HD, which is 2K. And we have the PTZ wheel. If I click on this, it will flip the screen around. On the right hand side of the screen you could see these little 4 lights. That's letting us know that infrared is on. If you want color night vision, you'd click on this. You could see the bulb has lit up. You'll get full color night vision. The one next to that, if you push that, that will flip the screen around. Then we have speaker here. You could take a picture, it will get saved in your phone gallery. Microphone, because this has two-way audio. You could start recording a video, it'll get saved in your gallery. One thing to mention, if you record a video and you have standard definition selected, it will record in that quality. If you want to record in HD, make sure that says HD on the left hand side and then press record yourself and it will get saved in HD. Next to the video record cloud or SD, if you're using cloud storage, swipe right, all your cloud videos will be here. I'm going to tap on the cloud button because I'm using a micro SD card and here are all my videos. I could save these straight to my phone or if I'm using a tablet. A big control wheel here for PTZ. Where it says speed, that's to control the speed of how fast you want the camera to pan. If I put it on high, you'll see as soon as I tap it, it'll move really quick. If I put it on lower, it will move really slowly. By default, it was on medium, so I'm leaving it on medium. We get 4 times digital zoom. Let's click on the gear cog. You could change the name. You could decide whether you want cloud storage or SD card on. Both are on by default. It's very important you come in here and format your SD card. Image flip. If you mount your camera the other way around, you could come here and rotate it. You can also mirror and rotate as well. Modes. So by default, it's on normal mode, or you could select night vision mode where the lights come on. Detection zone, so you could select the sensitivity level, high, medium or lower. Cloud duration, by default it's on 10 seconds. I've left it on that because I'm using the SD card. Alarm, power, LED indicator, that little blue indicator, you can turn that off if you want. Remember, the higher the settings you have, the more battery it will consume. Volume setting, sync time, upload log, reset device. Where it says device info, I'm not going down because there's a lot of sensitive information on there. It's got all the number of your camera and everything on there. You can also check there for firmware update. Now I'll show you how to check for your data front page. It's giving you plans here. It's letting us know fair usage policy. You cannot use this SIM card in your mobile phone. Cloud video, customer service. We have some more information here. I'll show you some daytime and nighttime footage. One thing to mention, as I mentioned in all my video reviews, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced to what I'm seeing because when I upload the video to internet, the file gets compressed. Let me know what you think of the image quality in the comment section below. My overall thoughts, I think it's a really good piece of kit this. The build quality on the camera is really good. It has a nice simple app. Image quality is really good. Color night vision works perfect. Pan tilt zoom works really good. If you can't access Wi-Fi, I will recommend this camera. If you want to pick it up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.